Boom. It's Chelsea, and there's something I need to speak of you guys with. Me and Chelsea auditioned for this together. She has another doctor's appointment. I'm gonna have to just make it me as your Monday, and I hope that's okay. Hey guys, it's Chelsea. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I know I look really cute. I got some blush. I look like a creeper, guys. Look at this. Does not look normal. Okay, so nobody likes Justin Bieber in my neighborhood, so honk for Justin Bieber. I'm gonna go stand out there like this. What if my mom pulled up? I only got like one honk, but my camera is still broke. Also, we have to prank call, but I can't do that because I broke my phone till Wednesday. Really call my mother. Shut up! Baby, come back! Aw, you're the reason why I smile.
Know that I'm a crazy bitch. I do what I want when I feel like it. All I wanna do is lose control. And that's why I smile. It's been a while since every day and
That was really cheesy.